Okay, so it's been a while. We need to talk about what's been happening with Jodi's VR-4 while waiting on the real mechanics to come in. Did a little bit of updates for the things that we could do. So some things we know for sure. The O2 sensor, an Innovate LS1 box. The O2 sensor was completely dead. Wasn't giving us any values at all. So with the good help of my buddy Chris, we swapped that out, got that wired in and taken care of. Additionally, we have brand new fuel injectors. So we stepped up to the FIC. We got 1200 cc fuel injectors in here now. So that replaced the old 800 ones that were pretty old and fouled out. Speaking of fouled out, we also replaced all the spark plugs with NGK coppers gapped down at 0.28 because all of those spark plugs were definitely fouled out from us running super rich. So those are the updates that we were able to do from the car from a mechanical perspective, as I said, while we're waiting on the real mechanics. But we'll show you what the results of these updates are so far. So back inside the car with the engine running now, one thing we did was we found out that base fuel pressure was at about 50 psi. As long as this gauge is working right, we checked the base fuel pressure, and but I would say the most important thing and the best thing here is that we're now able to actually dial in the AFRs and get the fuel table to respond. So that we could never do before with the old O2 sensor. And looking at our O2 feedback is sitting there right about 2 to 3%. Beautiful that we're idling under the car without it going super rich or super lean. So this is really the best that this car has run since it's been here. Obviously it's still hunting a little bit for idle, but it doesn't sound like it's missing terribly like it used to. And I don't actually have to sit inside the car and feather the throttle to keep it running. So this is, as far as I can tell, pretty good sign of improvement here.